Welcome to my day 2 of the Great Escape. If you haven't seen part 1, go check it out. Today is the final day of my packing to my new apartment, and let me tell you, saying goodbye to this place and especially to a certain toxic landlord, it is big, fat, glorious goodbye, and I'm not looking back even for a second. Now, for those who missed the gist in part 1, you might find it interesting to know exactly what it took me to get here, because this wasn't just finding a new apartment. I searched, I hunted for 5 months, 3 weeks and 6 days. Yes, you heard me right. 5 months, 3 weeks and 6 days of pure unadulterated Lagos house hunting. Shege saw me and I saw Shege, from agents asking for inspection fees for non-existent apartments to landlords with rules that would make your head spin, to places that looks nothing like the pictures. I have seen it all. Ooh, but guys, see who came to help me out?
Supervisor.
Tell me you have a friend that's going to miss your food without telling me. This is the guy. To the glory of God and shame to the devil and all those Lagos agents who tried to frustrate my life, I finally made it. I finally found a place that feels like peace, not just a roof over my head. Now I know I'm not the only one who has faced the Lagos house hunt dragon, so I need to hear from you. As a Lagos house hunter, what are your experiences? What is the craziest thing an agent or a landlord ever pulled on you? What's your greatest and biggest shaggy story? Drop your stories in the comment below. Let's laugh, cry and commiserate together. This is me looking all stressed out. Damn, I love those views. Trust me, this view is something. Ooh. So we have arrived to my new apartment, so I have to pay the guys to help me offload some of my properties. Now watch the next episode of my house decoration. I know you will want to see that. Make sure to follow for more. Bye.